Hello, Jim. How are you today?
I'm fine, John. You?
I'm angry about rising prices.
Me too. Everything is expensive.
Do you know the reason why?
Yes, it's the idiot tariffs.
Trump started these stupid tariffs, right?
Yes, he started this whole mess.
Food is more expensive these days.
Cars too. Prices are now crazy.
I can't afford anything anymore.
Same here. It's getting worse.
Trump called it good business strategy.
That's no strategy. It's just stupid.
He taxed everything from everywhere.
Even friends got hit with tariffs.
Europe, Canada, all got punished unfairly.
That's not how friends act, John.
He said America first always.
But now Americans are paying more.
Groceries cost double now, Jim.
My medicine costs more too.
He doesn't understand trade at all.
A real businessman knows better, John.
He thinks high tariffs help America.
But they only hurt the people.
Do you remember cheap electronics, Jim?
Yes. Now phones cost too much.
My laptop was cheaper last year.
Everything is more under idiot tariffs.
Who benefits from this, really?
Not me. Not my family, John.
He blames China for everything, Jim.
But American people suffer instead, John.
Even farmers lost big money, Jim.
They had to beg for help.
He gave them government money later.
But that's not fixing the problem.
He created a problem, not solution.
I agree. He made everything worse.
His fans still support his moves.
I don't understand that at all.
Maybe they don't feel the pain yet.
Or maybe they believe his lies.
He said tariffs bring more jobs.
But jobs went away instead, John.
Many factories closed under his watch.
My cousin lost his job, John.
I'm sorry. That's really hard news.
Thanks. He blamed Trump immediately, John.
Your cousin is smart and right.
What can we do about it?
Vote smart and tell the truth.
That's all we really can do.
We must teach others about tariffs.
Especially these idiot tariffs by Trump.
His trade war helped no one.
Only rich people stayed safe, John.
Poor people suffered the most here.
Trump never cared about poor people.
I think he only likes money.
And power. He loves control, John.
Do you remember his old show?
Yes. You're fired, was his line.
Now he fired America's trade deals.
And replaced them with bad ones.
His deals helped nobody but him.
His ego is bigger than Earth.
He tweeted more than he worked.
I miss peace and smart policy.
Me too. We need calm leadership.
Leadership that listens and understands trade.
And doesn't use Twitter for threats.
Trump was a walking trade disaster.
His fans still love his chaos.
Some people enjoy being fooled, John.
I prefer truth and fair trade.
Idiot tariffs only broke good systems.
He even taxed washing machines, Jim.
Yes. Mine cost me so much.
That's not normal for basic items.
He made simple life very hard.
I can't save money anymore, Jim.
Me neither. Prices eat my wallet.
I want leaders who help people.
Not ones who hurt with pride.
He always said I alone fix.
But he broke more than he fixed.
His business failures show his pattern.
He bankrupts everything he touches, John.
America is not a business game.
He treats it like TV drama,
Drama doesn't fix real economic pain.
or make groceries cheaper again, John.
We need smarter policies next time.
And someone who understands trade basics.
Like not taxing everything like crazy.
Yes, that's not leadership. That's chaos.
He doesn't understand global partnerships, Jim.
He made enemies out of allies.
Now other countries ignore America often.
That hurts trade and also security.
Tariffs also hurt small businesses, Jim.
My friend closed his shop recently.
That's awful. What happened to him?
He couldn't pay for supplies anymore.
Because of import taxes, right, Jim?
Yes. Idiot tariffs killed his profits.
Trump called it winning. It's losing.
He thinks shouting means strong leadership.
Strong means smart, calm, and careful.
Not loud, angry, and full ego.
Do you think he'll run again?
Maybe, but I hope he fails.
We must warn people about tariffs.
And teach what real trade means.
Idiot tariffs made my clothes expensive.
I buy less because of that.
Cheap shirts are now luxury goods.
Inflation got worse from tariffs too.
It's a snowball rolling too fast.
And Trump pushed the snow downhill.
He doesn't see real-world effects, Jim.
No. He lives in gold towers.
Out of touch with working people.
Always blaming others for his choices.
The media, China, Democrats, everyone else.
Never his own foolish policies, John.
This is why education is important.
Yes. Learn and vote with wisdom.
Idiot tariffs are still hurting us.
Years later, we still feel it.
What would you change first, Jim?
I would remove all bad tariffs.
That's a smart and fair move.
Then rebuild good trade with allies.
And help farmers and small shops.
Yes. Fix what Trump broke, John.
We must be smarter next election.
Choose leaders, not clowns in suits.
Not reality TV stars again, Jim.
Yes. That experiment failed completely, John.
He fooled people with fake success.
We need real experience, not drama.
I want lower prices again, Jim.
Me too. And honest leadership again.
I'll never forget these idiot tariffs.
They changed everything for the worse.
Let's tell our friends the truth.
Yes. And tell them to vote.
Every vote can change our path.
No more Trumps, no more lies.
Let's fix this mess together, Jim.
Yes, John. It starts with us.
I'm glad we talked today, Jim.
Me too. It helped my heart.
Talking always brings clarity and strength.
Truth must always be shared, John.
Let's keep speaking up every day.
Yes. Even if it feels hard.
Idiot tariffs must not return ever.
Agreed. We've had enough pain, John.
Let's choose better leaders next time.
Smarter leaders. Kinder ones too, John.
I hope the next one listens.
Listens and learns from past mistakes.
Mistakes like Trump's tariff madness, Jim.
The worst economic move in years.
My family is still recovering now.
Mine too. Slow and painful recovery.
But we're stronger for surviving this.
Yes. And more informed, John.
Knowledge is power in hard times.
And truth is our best weapon.
Let's keep telling the real story.
Yes. Trump's tariffs were a disaster.
A lesson we must not forget.
I'll never support him again, John.
Me neither. One mistake is enough.
Now we look to brighter days.
Better days with fair trade rules.
And smarter, caring leadership again, John.
The future can still be good.
Yes, if we choose wisely now.
Time to go home, Jim.
Yes. Let's meet again tomorrow, John.
We'll talk more about smart trade.
And eat cheap food again someday.
I hope that day comes soon.
It will. We just stay strong.
Thank you for talking today, Jim.
Thank you too, John. Always good.
Take care and fight for truth.
I will. You too, John.
Let's fix this broken system together.
Yes. Together we are always stronger.
Idiot tariffs lose. People always win.
People power beats bad politics, John.
Good night and see you soon.
Good night, John. Stay hopeful always.